welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I upgraded this normal glass bottle into this antique piece of art using some very basic stuff. But before I give you more details, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and have the notifications on to get regular updates. And now let's get started. So I'm going to start by painting a simple sheet of paper with these two shades of pink acrylic colors. Now, with the help of a jar cap, I am drawing some circles where I am going to make some flowers. Once I have the flower shapes made, I will use this transparent nail paint to give it a layer of the entire surface of the paper so that the flowers look glossy. Paste 3 of the flowers, 3 larger one and 1 smaller one. Now I'm going to do the central part of the flowers with the help of a glue gun. Now I've already painted this bottle in white acrylic color. Now I'm going to make a texture paste in a super simple way. We are going to put plaster of Paris and Fevicryl with little bit of water in it. I had this nylon net at home, so I'm going to use this as my stencil because it has a very nice design on it. So I'm going to spread all the paste over the surface of the bottle like this. have used a bottle that has a flat shape from the front so that it will become easier for me to do this job easily. Now what I'm going to do is start painting the bottle with this nice grey acrylic color. After that, I'm going to use this nice pink acrylic color, and I'm using this sponge to have the smallest possible amount of the product. Now I'm using the metallic gold color for a touch of shine. Now it's time to stick the flowers on the bottle. Now I'm going to use this air dry clay to make the bottle cap. make the same design on the cap which I've made on the bottle. And that's it. I love the outcome of this project. This was a really quick yet elegant art project. You can choose any design of stencil that you want. And let me know what do you guys think about this beautiful bottle art. If you liked it, then please don't forget to hit that like button. Also comment, share and subscribe to my channel. That's it from me. I will talk to you guys soon in my next DIY project. Till then, take care and stay safe.